In this video I will be covering the biggest airdrop right now going on, which is free and tap to earn kind of on Telegram. Right now it is running and you don't need any money and you don't need any type of investment in that. So what is that airdrop, each and everything I will discuss. Also some tricks to earn more coins in that, millions of coins per day. So let's get straight to the point. Right now I'm talking about the Hamster Combat airdrop going on live on Telegram, and more than 30 million users have joined their channel. So what is this? Well, first of all, many people were commenting on my video to make a video on Telegram airdrops right now, so that's why I decided to make a video on this. And if this video gets a good response, then I will cover different airdrops too that have a good potential. So Hamster Combat airdrop is kind of a tap to earn airdrop in which you have to tap and mine for free some coins daily, and you will get some points in that, and later on that points will get converted into the Hamster Combat crypto, and then obviously it will depend how much you have mined, and according to that you will get rewards and you can cash out that crypto as well. So in the link is in the description of this bot Hamster Combat. There are many fake bots also, that's why I am recommending you guys to only join with the official link only. There are many fake links also right now, so the link is in the description of Hamster Combat official bot, and in that bot only you will be required to play the game and tap as well to earn some rewards. I will discuss each and everything in today's video only. So first of all, you just have to click here. After you have opened the app, first of all you will see this interface right here, and what you have to do is, if you tap in this circle, you will earn points like this. You can see +2 coins I am getting right now. These are your total coins right here. So let me show you what you can do with these coins right here. So if you go to this boost section right here, then you can upgrade your levels like multi-tap. For 2000 coins you can increase your level by 1. You can increase your energy level as well by spending your coins. So what this will do is that right now if I am tapping, you can clearly see +2 coins are getting added. So you can increase it by 3, 4 n number of times by spending these coins. Also whenever I am tapping, you will see this energy level is getting reduced. So I mean this energy level gets reduced very fast but also gets recovered very fast. So you can also increase its capacity by spending these coins. But now I will tell you how to make millions of coins per day. So for that you have to tap here. As soon as you will tap, a new interface like this will come up, and you can clearly see 1 million coins right here. So what this basically means is, every day a new word will be coming up in the challenge, like word of the day. For example, the word of the day is ton, T-O-N, ton. So this whole game is based on Morse code. So according to Morse code, T is written as, for example, circle and dash. O is written as dash, circle and dash. So what you have to do is, if you tap in this circle right here for one time, you can clearly see one circle got pop off. I will show you again. See, one circle. See, one circle like this. But if I hold this and then release it, then you will see a dash will come up. So like this you have to enter the Morse code from circle dash like this. For that you can just go on YouTube and just type Hamster Combat word of the day, and I'm sure you will find recent videos on it. And make sure you only watch recent videos and not any late videos. So I'm sure there will be some YouTubers who will be making daily videos of that word. So for example, if the word is ton, T-O-N, then the Morse code for T is different, O is different and N is different, and if you correctly enter it here, you will win 1 million coins easily. So do watch that on YouTube. Just type Hamster Combat daily word and you will get videos on it. watch only recent videos. Okay, and then when you have earned 1 million coins, again tap here to return to the default mode of this. Just right here, default mode, and now you can see it is a normal default mode. And now the most important section is this mine section right here. I hope you can see. When you tap on it, you can buy these cards right here. What these cards will do is, for example, let me just buy this card, BTC pair. So as soon as buy this card, what will happen is, now you can clearly see profit per hour is 40 coins. So what this means is, even if I am offline, my bot will automatically mine 40 coins per hour for me automatically, without I'm tapping it like this. Without tapping, my bot will automatically mine 40 coins. So I will recommend you guys to upgrade all of these as much as possible, and because obviously you can't just tap whole day, you have to upgrade this. I have seen people with millions here, millions of coins automatically per hour getting upgraded. And now I will show you the second method of making millions of coins easily for free every day. Second method is here, daily combo. If you find the correct daily combo, you will win up to 5 million coins. So total 6 million coins you can win in one day if you play this bot correctly. So what is this? Out of these all the cards right here, you can see there are many cards. Some are locked, some are unlocked. Here also PR team, legal, specials, etc. So out of these all these cards, daily there will be 3 random cards that if you buy correctly or if you upgrade them, you can win 5 million coins. Simple. And how to find these cards? Again I will say, just go on YouTube and type Hamster Combat daily update cards or Hamster Combat daily cards, just like this, and do watch the recent videos. I'm sure there will be few YouTubers who will be making these YouTube videos, and then you can obviously find these cards and easily make more than 6 million coins per day, and then use those coins to increase your profit per hour. Again I'm saying this is the most important thing. And obviously if you don't do this for the sake of 5 million coins, if you have to achieve the milestone of 5 million coins per day, you have to be buying these cards only, and as soon as you buy these cards, this will increase. So it's better for you only now. Also, if you come at this earn section right here, there are some small tasks like daily reward right here, and you can join the official Telegram channel. I will obviously link that in the description. Follow their account, and also choose exchange. You can choose any exchange you want, like for example I can go with Bybit or Binance. You can change it whenever you want. So these are some small tasks that you can do to earn some coins as well. Also you can share with your friends too, referral and earn, and they can also play. So this is just a normal bot, so don't focus on tapping it, but focus on increasing your profit per hour, because you can't just tap the whole day. It's better to just increase your profit per hour. So this is just the normal bot right here, and this is all about Hamster Combat. This is the official channel of Hamster Combat. I will link this in the description. You can follow this. I will be posting all the latest updates regarding Hamster Combat, so you will be known what are the latest updates, when is the airdrop coming, what is all the criteria and each and everything. So as guys, this is it for today's video. This is a new, I would say, content of airdrop farming on Telegram. Free airdrops, tap to earn airdrops. Some people were requesting it, that's why I made a video like this. And if you like it, then do like, comment, share, subscribe, everything. And if I see some reach on this video, then I will definitely make more videos, because there are many airdrops like Tap Swap and Wave Ocean. So if you like this, then do follow it, because you can literally make millions of coins per day, and many few people know about this trick, and the bot is very simple to operate. So yeah, this is it. All the links are in the description. Use the bot from the description only, or else you can get scam also. So yeah, this is it. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.